Ever wondered how we could communicate in real time with astronauts millions of miles away in deep space? Well, NASA is working on a groundbreaking project, the Deep Space Optical Communications Project, or DSOC for short. It's a pioneering venture that aims to revolutionize how we interact with spacecraft and astronauts in the far reaches of space. This is especially crucial for the ambitious Mars missions planned for the future. Imagine this. DSOC operates similarly to fiber optic internet, the kind many of us use daily. The same principles which allow us to stream our favorite shows in ultra-high definition are being applied to space communication. The result? An enormous potential for faster data transmission rates and a significant increase in bandwidth. The DSOC project is still in the experimental stages, but the possibilities it offers are truly staggering. Imagine receiving crystal-clear video transmissions from astronauts on Mars, or downloading data from distant spacecraft in the blink of an eye. This technology, still in its experimental stages, is set to redefine our understanding of interplanetary communication. Imagine sending a message from Earth to a point 10 million miles away, and it reaches there in just 50 seconds. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what NASA accomplished. Using their deep space optical communications experiment aboard the Psyche spacecraft, they sent a laser-beamed message from nearly 10 million miles away. The message, traveling at the speed of light, took a mere 50 seconds to reach Earth. This technological triumph is not just a demonstration of mankind's ingenuity, but a nod to the future of communication in deep space. So, what does this achievement signify? Well, it's a game-changer. This technology, akin to fiber optic internet, allows for high-bandwidth data transmission, which means we can send and receive more information faster than ever before. It's paving the way for advancements in space communication that could be crucial for future missions to Mars and beyond. But like any cutting-edge technology, it also presents its own set of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is calibrating the system for longer distances. We're talking about distances like those between Earth and Mars, which are considerably greater than 10 million miles. It's like perfecting a long-distance call, but instead of crossing countries, we're spanning planets. Despite these challenges, NASA remains undeterred. Their eyes are set on the stars, and they are willing to push the boundaries of what we know about communication in space. As the Psyche spacecraft continues its journey towards the asteroid belt, NASA plans to further test this groundbreaking system, refining and improving it for the journey towards our interplanetary future. So, next time you send a message to a friend and it reaches them in seconds, spare a thought for the scientists who are working tirelessly to make the same possible but in the vast expanse of deep space. Because who knows, one day, we might just be sending messages to Mars as casually as we send texts today. What better way to test a communication system than to stream a video, right? NASA took this to heart when they decided to give their cutting-edge technology a run for its money. They streamed an Ultra HD video of a fat orange cat chasing a laser, all the way from deep space to Earth. Now this wasn't just any video stream, this was a video transmitted from a spacecraft that was a whopping 19 million miles away. The kicker? It reached Earth in just 101 seconds. That's faster than most broadband internet connections here on Earth. With a speed of 267 megabits per second, it's safe to say that this test was more than successful. NASA's experiment, part of the Deep Space Optical Communications Project, has certainly revolutionized communication with spacecraft and astronauts in deep space. This successful test marks a significant milestone in the development of deep space optical communications. But why does all this matter? Why is it important? Well, these achievements are not just about streaming Ultra HD cat videos or laser beaming messages from millions of miles away. They represent a new era in space communication and exploration. By successfully testing the Deep Space Optical Communications Project, NASA has established a precedent for high-speed, high-bandwidth communications in the vast expanse of space. Similar to our fiber optic internet here on Earth, this technology allows for faster data transmission rates and increased bandwidth. This is crucial for future interplanetary missions, where the ability to communicate quickly and efficiently with spacecraft or astronauts can make a world of difference. It can enable real-time responses to unexpected situations, provide richer data for scientific analysis, and even pave the way for live streaming from other planets. These advancements are not just about the here and now, they're about the future. They're about preparing for the moment when humankind takes that next giant leap into the cosmos. By enhancing our ability to communicate in deep space, we are laying the foundation for the next era of space exploration, supporting NASA's mission to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding of the universe. As we step into the future, the possibilities of deep space communication seem limitless.